Hey guys, this is Gloria. I am back to share with you guys some happy mail that I received from a subby of mine, a sweet subby, as well as a few things that I've been picking up here and there and some stuff that I forgot to share with you guys the last time I did my Hobby Lobby haul. So first I'm going to share with you guys my happy mail. It came from Celeste, and I will leave her information down below. Celeste says that she does not make videos. She just kind of watches, but you know, I just wanted to say that I remember when I started YouTube, before I started making videos, I watched and I loved so many different channels, and I had so much fun watching, and I was like super afraid to just put myself out there. But then when I did, it made it so much easier. And I love making videos, so I suggest that if making videos is something that you want to do, just try it out. You know, I talked to myself for a long time before I got the subbies that I have, and so you just got to keep going if it's something that you really want to do. So I wanted to share with you guys what she sent me. All I did was just opened up the box. I did not peek inside or anything like that. But first off, there's this gorgeous pink tissue paper with like the sparkly glitter kind of embedded in it. It's so pretty. And then there's some white as well. So thank you so much, Celeste, for thinking about me. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I received this box on Monday, but I've been so busy that I wasn't able to open it and film a video, and I definitely wanted to film it for you guys to share with you guys what she sent. Now, first off, look guys, all of this confetti, which I will definitely be keeping and using in Happy Mail. This is so pretty. It's like a mint green, purple, and pink. Oh, it's just so pretty. Thank you. And this box is packed with stuff. Look how pretty. So first off, she sent me, oh, this is so pretty. This is like a coastal theme. This is so pretty. I love bows, and you probably know that. But look at this, guys. She sent me these bows all packaged up, super pretty. It has a bunch of confetti everywhere. Thank you so much. It's so pretty. I love the presentation. I love the pearls and the bling, and even the little starfish. That is so pretty. Thank you so much. I get to use that on a project. Actually, I may make a paper clip out of this and put it in my Bible on one of my most recent pages that I did in my Bible journaling. So thank you for that. And then, oh my gosh, girl, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Girl, you need to make videos. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, guys, let me open this up so that you guys can see. And you guys know that the camera does not do it justice at all. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful, Celeste. Beautiful. It says, "You are amazing." And it's a shaker. And I love that you put these little seed beads because they look like the bubbles that would be in the water. This is beautiful. Look at the lady, and she's all colored up. This is gorgeous. Look at her little smoky eyes, y'all. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you definitely need to make videos because this is a gorgeous card. Oh my gosh. Let me just open it up. This stays long enough. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh, I am not on Instagram, but my sissy here on YouTube keeps telling me I need to get an Instagram account, so maybe I'll do that. But guys, I am so super busy. You guys know I'm like always busy, so I don't know. But oh my gosh, this card is beautiful. And Celeste says that she loves to swap as well. And so yeah, that would be, something that I would love to do with you, Celeste. And I am going to get you back, girl. This is beautiful. Thank you so much for this. Oh, I love that card. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. And then it has the confetti is like sticking to it. Sticking to the plastic. Oh my gosh, what is this? This is so cute. Oh my gosh, that card was the bomb, Celeste. And it's so funny because there are so many ladies here on. This is so pretty. Look at that little bunny. I love bunnies. Thank you, Celeste. And look at all these little blings. Oh my gosh, did you make these? This is like what do you call it? Oh yeah, enamel dots. Yes, yes, yes. That is so cute. Okay, Celeste, yeah, girl, you know me. These are gorgeous. Thank you so much. And she sent so many in so many beautiful colors. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for this. Oh, Celeste, thank you so much, girl. This is so cute. And I love bunnies. And you know what? I may have to use this in one of my grandbaby's future books, which I need to get started on because I'm like late and I should have had 2 of them done by now, but I don't. I'm running behind, guys. Look at this. She even sent me looks like a 3x3 note card set. Blessed are we who can laugh at ourselves, for we shall never cease to be amused. That is so cool. Smile, it is the key that fits the lock of everybody's heart. Oh my gosh. A smile happens in a flash, but its memory can last a lifetime. These are gorgeous. The most wasted of all days is one without laughter. Beautiful. Peace begins with a smile. I love it. Laughter is the best medicine. These are gorgeous. And she even sent the little envelopes for them. Thank you so much. It's so funny because I always say that I am not a big card maker, which I don't think I am. I try, but some of the cards I see out here, I'm like, whoa, I can never be like that good. But these are gorgeous. Thank you so much. I love this for my stash. I can use those. Thank you so, so much for that. And then look at this. Oh my gosh, these rosettes are beautiful. Oh my gosh, girl, you did a great job. Look how beautiful this one is. These are so gorgeous. Thank you so much, Celeste. This is beautiful, beautiful Happy Mail. Oh my gosh. And then look at this, guys. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at these paper clips. Look at this one, guys. It has like this little, what is it called? Like a dangle. I think people call them dangles or something like that. This is beautiful. Girl, look at this with the little tool. You know, I love to use my tool. These are definitely going in my journals. Oh my God. Oh, and look how pretty. So pretty. Thank you. Look at the little bow. Love it. You did such a great job. It's so funny. What I was going to say was a lot of people that don't do videos are like super duper talented. Like, I get things from people that don't make YouTube videos, and it's crazy why you guys don't make YouTube videos. How cute is this? I would have never thought to do this. How cute, how stinking cute is this? She made this look like a box of donuts, a box of pastries. This is so adorable. I love that idea. That is beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. I didn't know that this box was this filled, guys. So I may have to come back and share with you guys my little haul, because this video deserves to have this stuff deserves to have its own video. How pretty is this? These are adorable. Oh my gosh. So these are like, look like they're altered notebooks. How pretty is that? And I'm always needing like notepads and notebooks. And look, it has like the little mermaid girls on it. So cute. All you need is love and the beach. I know that's right. So cute. Oh my gosh. Mermaid to-do list. Make a seashell necklace. Save a sailor. Make waves. Dance with the anemones. Take time to celebrate. Be mermazing. Brunch at the beach. Swim in all the 7 seas. Explore a treasure ship. That is gorgeous. And it has different papers in each one. And so I think that she recovered like little notepads. This is so cute. Love this. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. And like I said, guys, I will definitely link her information down below, and maybe we could persuade her to go ahead and make her videos. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. These are Allie dies. I know they're Allie dies because I have them. These are so cute. I love this. You actually put together these for me and put them on little foam dots so that I can reuse them. How cute is that? Oh, and I don't have this die. Look how cute the purse die is. So pretty. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. I could have used this in my last Bible journaling, Walk by Faith. That is so cute. I may even go back and put these on, you know, a pair on my page. These are so cute. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. You spoiled me. You really did. Oh my gosh. And then, oh my gosh. Oh, wait a minute, girl, because I thought that was a sachet. Hold on. Let me share with y'all this first. Oh gosh. This girl spoiled me. Oh my gosh. Look at the die cuts. I always love to get die cuts because you know you can just reach for them and just use them on your projects, and you don't have to stop and cut them out. I was just telling my son the other day, because he does graphic design, and I was telling him how, you know, like, he's been working on this project for so long, like weeks. You know, he works on it here and there, whatever. And oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And I was telling him, I said, you know, a lot of stuff like I can do with my programs, with like my design programs, but that is a job in itself, and then you have to complete a project. So it's a lot of work, and people don't realize how much work all that stuff takes, you know. And oh gosh, I don't know. But anyway, let me show you guys. She done made this envelope. This is adorable. Oh my gosh. And it's huge. I love it. And I'm wondering if you can use this to mail something out to someone, because it's very thick paper. It's very well made, and I don't see why it wouldn't hold up in the mail. My only problem is I've done that once before, but I used my machine to cut my envelope, and it put like these perforated lines on it. And when I went to send it to my friend, guys, the only thing that came to her house was the front of the envelope with our addresses on it. Everything else was gone. The stamp set that I was sending her, the note that I sent her, everything was gone out of the envelope. But I think it's because they fed it through the machine and it hit the perforated ends on it, and it just ripped apart. But I like this because it's not perforated, it's just scored. So I don't see this falling apart. And like I said, this is really thick paper. Very, very pretty. But anyway, let me share with you guys what she stuck in there. She stuck these notes in there, these sticky notes and page flags, which are gorgeous, which I can definitely use at work. And this one has a little unicorn, which is so cute. Love it. Oh, and for my Bible journaling, so cute. So this is the stencils, and it's 6 of these. And I don't believe I have this one. And so I can definitely use these in my Bible journaling. Love it. Thank you so much. And this is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. I like anything with a scallop, guys. Anything with a scallop. And this is so pretty. And then there's some words here. I'm not exactly sure what those words say. Oh, this one says thanks. And I think this one says autumn. So pretty. Look at this little bitty tiny scallop. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you so much, Celeste, for thinking about me. I so appreciate you, girl. And I do want to encourage you to make videos, honey, because your projects are, I'm sorry, guys. Your projects are awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, real quick, what I will do is, I know that I had some questions on my, my desk here. This is nothing but vinyl, adhesive vinyl that's printed, and it came from Hobby Lobby, and it's the Paper Studio brand. And if you guys you know, go this week, this stuff should be half off. All I did was just cut a piece and put it down, and it works as my background. And I also actually do my crafting on here, which is why this paint is on here, which I need to actually recover my desk again. But that is what this is. And then I had another question. About, oh, what camera do I use to film? All I use is my iPhone, guys. I don't edit my videos. I don't do anything. I do have 2 lamps, one on this side and one light on this side. And one is a light, and the other one is just a sunlight light bulb in a lamp that gives me really good light. Other than that, guys, I'm like literally, like, the space that I'm in it's very dark, honestly, and these lights are awesome, and they just help me to have pretty clear and pretty light videos. So that is about it. I just wanted to throw that out there because I know people ask me those things a lot. But thank you, Celeste. I appreciate you, girl, and I will keep your address, and you know, as soon as I can, I will definitely be getting you back. And so I do want to thank you guys for watching my videos. I so appreciate each and every one of you guys whether you comment or you don't comment, or whether you send me goodies or you don't send me goodies. I appreciate you guys just being there, because this is a hobby for me and I love doing it, and I love when you guys interact back with me, and I just feel like it's such an awesome community. So that is about it, guys. As always, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Thanks again, Celeste. Bye.